All right, let's be honest. Spring cleaning isn't exactly the most exciting thing in the world, but what if I told you it could actually bring you and your partner closer? This year, I want you to try a sensory deep clean because a fresh, inviting space can completely change the mood for intimacy. Step one, declutter with a purpose. Go through your space together and get rid of anything that doesn't feel good, look good, or bring comfort. Step two, upgrade your bedroom. Swap out those old sheets for something soft, add warm lighting, and bring in a new scent candles, linen spray, whatever makes the space feel sensual. Step three, create a romance drawer. This is your little secret stash massage oils, a sexy playlist, maybe even some surprise date night items. And step four, break it in. Because once your space is refreshed, you should enjoy it together. So, are you and your partner ready to make spring cleaning a little sexier? Let me know how it goes in the comments below.